Okay, before starting the exercise, we will do two examples. By using transposition method, you need to solve this example. See, the first example is displayed on the screen. Who will tell me the answer for this? हाँ बोलो, लक्ष्मी निवास जवर बोलो. लक्ष्मी निवास जवर. Okay, Arya Mirkad.
Yes, sir. So we will do variable one side and constant one side.
Okay, variable terms on one side. So this is the variable term.
So 2.5 x will go in the left hand side there to 0.5 x. It is in plus, so it will be in minus then.
Okay.
Is equals to 0.5 minus 1.5.
Minus 1.5. Okay. So what is 0.5 minus 2.5?
Minus 2.0x.
Minus 2.0x. That is nothing but 2x only. Minus 2x only. Okay. And here?
Yes, sir. 1.5 minus 0.5 is equals to 1.
Minus 1 बेटा, क्योंकि 1.5 बड़ा है, उसका साइन माइनस है. तो
then x is equals to 1 by
minus 1 upon
minus 2 plus 2.9 minus 2 upon
this minus will get cancelled. So ultimately x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 1 by 2. So what is the value of unknown variable here? It is 1 by 2. Okay. Is it clear to you? Next one. Who will try the next one? We are having one more example. बोलो कौन बताएगा? Yes, Palak.
Yes, sir. Sir, so here first we will do 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3x is equals to 15. So sir, we will shift. Sir, we will not shift here. First we will find the answer of 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3x.
Okay, Palak, can I write it like this? X upon 2 plus x upon 3.
Yes,
which is equal to 15, because 1 multiplied by x will give me x only. Here also 1 multiplied by x will give me x only. Okay, क्योंकि 1 और x दोनों भी न्यूमरेटर में है, तो न्यूमरेटर का न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. Okay.
Yes.
Now next we will do the cross multiplication here, या फिर we can take the LCM to make the denominator same. बोलो क्या करना है?
Sir, we'll take LCM. Sir,
I think so. Cross
multiplication
is the better option. So 3 को x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये x के साथ,
3x
तो ये हो जाएगा 3x. ये 2 को ये वाले x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये हो जाएगा प्लस 2x.
plus 2x. Yes.
और
answer
डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा 2 3 is 6, which is equal to 15.
15. So sir, we will shift 6 to RHS side
Okay.
by multiplying 3x plus 2x is equals to 15 into 6.
Correct. 15 into 6. What is 3x plus 2x?
Sir, it is 5x.
And what is 15 6
15 6 are 90.
90. So x will be what? 90 upon 5.
5. So it will come x is equals to 90 divided by 5. 18. X is equals to 18.
So the value of x here, it is 18. The value of the unknown variable here, in this case, it is 18. Is it clear to everyone, the transposition method? Now we will start the exercise. In that we are going to discuss.
You have to write both of this in notebook only.
Yes, yes. You have to write both of this in the notebook.
Okay, sir.
Mute
Sir,
yourself. Yes. Arya Mirkad, bolo first one.
Yes, sir. So first we will write the equation. So it will come a number increased by 3 is equals to 5. So we will take 3 plus x is equals to 5.
Do you
Then
know that
x is
number?
equals to,
Do you know that number? A
no
number.
sir, so I had write
Let
x in that place.
let the number be x.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, when this number is x, when we will increase x with 3, यानी plus 3 करना पड़ेगा, that will be equal to 5. So this is the equation.
5. Now we will solve it.
No
Then
need to
x
solve
is
it. We
equals
have
to,
to just form an equation. No need
okay
to
sir.
solve it. We have to just form an equation. Is it clear to everyone? सबसे पहले let the number be x because we don't know the number. So वो number x है हमारा, उसको 3 से increase करने के बाद क्या हो जाए x plus 3 and it is equal to 5. So x plus 3 is equal to 5. We have to just form the equation. हाँ बोलो next one. Who will try the next one? यथार्थ बोलो. यथार्थ.
Sir, we
Hmm.
have to write number equals to x.
Let the number be x. हाँ. So 3 times a number यानी 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 क्या हो जाएगा 3x added to 7 यानी plus 7 gives यानी equal to 30.
Equals to 13.
So this is the equation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next who will try the next one? Yes, Siddhi बोलो. अगला आप बोलोगे.
Yes, sir. A number is twice the other and their sum is 15.
Wait a minute.
Let the number be x.
A number is twice the other and their sum is 15. Okay, let
The number be x.
okay.
2x
Mhm.
plus x as the other number is also unknown.
A number is twice the other. So let first number be x, other number be y then. Yes or no? These are two different numbers, na?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Let यहाँ पे लिखो first number be x and other
Yes.
number be y.
Yes, sir. 2x plus y
Is
is
equal
equals to
to
15.
15. Now this is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, because here two variables are there.
Yes.
In class 10th, you have a separate chapter on this. Okay, linear equation in two variables. Is it clear to you? Yes, Akshara bolo. Next one aap bologe.
Yes, sir.
Half a number is 18 less than twice the number. So we don't know the number, so we will do it as x. Keep it as x.
Let the number be x. Okay.
And
So,
the other number,
other यहाँ पे other word है क्या यहाँ पे statement में?
no sir.
Only a number is there. Okay. So that number is x only. So half the number means what? 1 by 2 multiplied
1
by
by
x.
2 multiplied by x is equal half a number is
Half a number is 18 less than twice the number. Yes. This number, यानी half a number यानी ये complete number, it is 18 less. Okay. तो 18 less यानी क्या हो जाएगा? जो दूसरा नंबर है वो है 2x, उसमें से 18 कम है. Yes or no? Yes or no? Half a number is 18 less than twice the number. यानी ये ट्वाइस द नंबर है, उसमें से अगर हम लोग 18 कम कर देंगे तो हमको हाफ द नंबर मिलता है. क्या नहीं समझा पलक?
Sir, this one.
So what
Sir, how did you do?
half the number. Okay, पहले यहाँ पे लिख देंगे हम लोग half the number. Half the number is what? It is x upon 2. Because our number is
Yes.
x, so its half is x upon 2. Twice the number लिखो यहाँ पे. Twice the number, what it will come?
2x.
Is 2x. Twice the number is 2x. अब क्या बोला है? 18 less. 18 less कौन है? Half the number 18 less है. यानी twice the number 18 ज्यादा है फिर. Yes or no?
Yes.
Twice the number is equal to 2x
Half.
plus 18 and it is equal to half the number.
Yes. Sir, but वो twice the number आपने ये वाले साइड लिखा तो फिर ये वाले साइड भी क्यों लिखा?
क्या क्या क्या?
Sir, you wrote not twice the number, so why you wrote that twice the number plus 18?
Because we have to, what is given, half the number is 18 less. यानी ये जो number है half the number, ये जो number है ये 18 से कम है.
Yes.
और किससे कम है? Twice the number से. So this is correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the answer at the back side? Is it the same?
Sir, I will check.
Check it fast.
Yes, sir. 5.1. Sir, x upon 2 minus 18 is equals to 2x.
Okay. So this is not correct then. Okay. This is not correct. The below part is correct. X upon 2, which is equal to 2x plus 18. So we will shift this 18 this side. So x by 2 minus 18, which is equal to 2x. This is the equation. Okay, don't write this.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, next one. Now next is trial and error method. Who will try this trial and error method? First one. Yes, Om Jadov.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first we will write put x is equal to 1 in above equation.
In above equation, correct. So what we will get?
2 bracket open 1 1 is plus 4 is equal to 8.
So 6 is not equal to 8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, put x is equal
Put
to.
x is equal to 2 in above equation.
So what we will
2
get?
multiplied by 2 plus 4 is
multiplied-
equal to 8.
We will
2
get
plus
8.
4. Yes, sir.
8 equal to 8.
8
Okay.
is equal to 8.
So what we can write? Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution of equation. What we will write? X is equal to 2 is the solution of
Solution of equation.
equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Next, Aditi Tapadia. Bolo Aditi. Aditi, can you hear me? Okay, Darshana, bolo aap.
So we will write
put x is equals to 1 in the above equation.
Okay.
11 plus above equation. 11 plus 2 bracket 1 bracket close is equals to 19. 14
13 is not
What-
equal to.
so we will add 1 also now.
This is 2 1 the 2. How we will add this?
Okay, sir. Then put x is equals to 2 in above equation. 11 plus 2 bracket close is equals to 19. 11 plus 4 is equals to 19. 15 is equals not equals to 19. Now we will write put x is equals to 3 in above equation. 11 plus 2 bracket 3 is equals to 19. 11 plus 6 is equals to 19. 17 not equals to 19.
Okay.
Put x is equals to 4 in above equation. 11 plus 2 bracket 4 is equals to 19. 11 plus 8 is equals to 19. 19 is equals to 19.
Therefore, x
So,
is equal to
therefore, x is equals to 4
is the
in
solution of
above.
is the s-
Is the solution
of
of 11 plus 2x is equals to 19.
of above equation. Okay, Vaishnavi, next one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
12 upon m is equal to 3.
Hmm.
Put m is equal to 1 in above equation.
So put m is equal to 1 in
In above equation.
hmm,
12 upon 1 is equal to 3. If 12 is not equal to 3.
next.
Put m is equal to 2 in above equation.
Hmm.
12 upon 2 is equal to 3. 6 is not equal to 3.
Next.
M is equal to 3 in above equation. 12 upon 3 is equal to 3. 4 is not equal to 3.
Next.
Put m is equal to 4 in above equation. Twelve upon 4 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3.
Therefore,
Therefore, m is equal to 3 in solution.
m equal to 4.
Therefore,
M equal to 4
m equal to 4 is the solution of above equation.
is the solution
Of above equation.
of above equation. Okay. Yes, Kalash, bolo next one.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is x plus x by 3 plus 5 is equal to 7. Sir, I have made table of that. Sir, that what value of x in LHS then RHS?
You have to use trial and error method.
Yes, sir, that only.
Mhm.
Sir, so we'll put 1, so sir, 1 by 3 plus 5 is not equal to 7.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 15 16 upon 3. It is not equal to 7. Okay, next.
7. Sir, screen is not visible.
Put x is equal to 2 in above equation. Check your net connection. Others, can you see my screen? Okay. Someone else continue this question. Bolo Palak.
Yes, sir. We will write put x is equals to 2 in above equation. So 2 upon 3 plus 5 is equals to 7. So answer will come 15. 17 upon 3 is not equal to 7.
Next.
Then we will write put x is equals to 3 in above equation. EQ. Then we'll write 3 upon 3 plus 5 is equals to 7. 3 5 are 15, 16, 17, 18 upon 3.
अरे ये 3 1 हो गया ना ये.
Yes.
18. 6 is not equal to 7.
Yes, 6 is equals to not equal to 7. Then put x is equals to 4 in above equation. Then we will write 4 upon 3 plus 5 is equals to 7. 3 5s are 15. 19 upon 3 is not equal to 7.
Next, what we will put?
Put x is equals to 5 in above equation. Then we will write 5 upon 3 plus 5 is equals to 7. Then 5 3 20 upon 3.
Next, what we will put?
Not equal to 7. Then put 6. Put x is equals to 6 in above equation. Then we will write 6 upon 3 plus 5 is equals to 7. So 3 1s are and 3 2s are. Then 2 plus 5 7 is equals to 7. Therefore, in x is equals to 6 in is the solution of above equation.
Okay, correct. X is equal to 6 is the solution of above equation. Next one. Who will do the next one? 5 is the root of x. Next question. Sixth one is also there. In second question, how many questions are there? In second question, 4 only are there, na? Okay, third one. First, determine by substitution. If 5 is the root of x minus 3 is equal to 6. बोलो यथार्थ.
Yes, sir. Sir, 5 is the root of x minus 3 equals to 6. Sir, we have to write x into x into x, x to the power 5.
Why?
Sir, because x root is 5.
5 is the root of x minus 3 is equal to 6. That means 5 is the value of x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anyone else? Palak.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will write 5 minus 3 is equals to 6.
But 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and 2 is not equal to 6.
Yes, sir. Sir, so can we take 5x?
But how we can take 5x directly? 5 is the root of x minus 3, which is equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
If we shift this to this side, so x will be equal to 9. And 5 is the root of, no. Okay, now see here, what is the equation? First, see the equation. X minus 3 is equal to 6. This is our equation. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So we will get the value of x. To get the value of x, we will have to shift this 3 to RHS. So what it will become? 6 plus 3. So x is
3.
equal to 9.
9.
So x is equal to 5 बोल रहे हैं वो लोग. X is equal to 5. But here we are getting what? X is equal to 9. So x is not the root of
5.
not the root of x minus 3 is equal to 6. ये इक्वेशन है हमारा. ओके या फिर हम लोग सिंपल लैंग्वेज में नॉट द रूट ऑफ के जगह पे हम लोग ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं x इक्वल टू 5 is not the solution. Okay, it is not the
Okay.
solution of x minus 3 is equal to 6. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
We have to just check whether they have given us one value, whether it is the root of that equation. That means it is the solution of that equation or not. बस इतना ही हमको check करना है. Here the
Yes.
solution of the equation is x is equal to 9. It is not x is equal to 5. Okay. Next one. Who will try the next one? बोलो ओम जादव.
Yes, sir. Sir, 4 is the root of 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3.
Okay.
5 plus 3. 2x is equal to 8. 8 by 2 is equal to x is equal to 4. Answer is 4 is the root of
X equal to
2x
4
minus 3 is equal to 5.
is the root of 2x minus 3 equal to 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Kalash, bolo next.
Yes, sir. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, now it's clear.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we will put x is equal to 3.
X is equal to 9 by 3. So x is equal to 3. And here also they have said 3 is the root of this equation. So therefore x is equal to 3.
Sir, I
is
have tried different.
what?
Sir, I have tried different method.
What different method?
सर उन्होंने बोला कि 3 is the root of 3x. तो सर जो x है ना मैंने उसके ऊपर 3 उसके जगह 3 पुट किया.
हाँ तो चलेगा ना.
आंसर मेरा वही आ रहा है.
हाँ तो यहाँ से भी वही आएगा, वहां से भी वही आएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपने डायरेक्टली वैल्यू पुट कर दिया x का 3. नो प्रॉब्लम. That is also correct. X is equal to 3 is the root of 3x
is equal to 9.
Okay. Next one. Who will try next one? Who will try the next one? Our equation is 2 in bracket x plus 4 which is equal to 14. बोलो कौन ट्राई करेगा? अदिति तापड़िया. Aditi Tapadia. Yes, Siddhi, bolo. पहले ये 2 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा हमको. Yes, Akshara, बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will multiply 2 into x and then into 4. So it is 2x plus 8. So is equal to 14. 2x equals to 14 minus 8. It is 2x equals to 6. X equals to 6 divided by 2, x is equals to 3. So it is not the root of the 3, minus 3.
X is equal to plus 3 is the root. X is equal to minus 3 is not the root. So therefore what we can write? X is equal to minus 3 is not the root of 2 in bracket x plus 4 is equal to 14. Okay, last 2-3 minutes are remaining. Fourth question, first one. Who will do fourth question, first one? Systematic method. हाँ, हर्षवर्धन जादव बोलो.
Yes, sir. Sir, 7x is equal to 28. X is equal to 28 upon 7.
What we used to do in the systematic method? What we used to do in the systematic method?
Sir, we will try.
Kalash bolo. Kalash Mandana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in systematic equation, we have systematic method. We have to balance. So, sir, we'll take value 4. तो सर जो x है उसकी जगह हम 4 डालेंगे. तो सर जो 28 है अभी LHS में मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहा तो RHS में डिवाइड करेंगे सर.
See,
value.
Kalash, we do the balancing only when there is a constant term here. Okay, that case only we do the balancing. Yes or no? Now see here, this is the constant term. So for balancing this, what we do minus 3. Okay, अगर minus 3 इधर किया तो इधर भी minus 3 करना पड़ेगा. Okay, but here there is no constant term, so directly we will write like this: x is equal to 28.
X is equal to 28 divided 7.
So x will be equal to 4.
Sir, math is next one.
बोलो जल्दी बोलो. Last 2 minutes are remaining.
Yes, sir. Sir, b 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. Sir, इधर तो बैलेंस करेंगे 13 को.
Yes, 2x plus 7 है तो इधर minus 7 कर दें.
13 minus 7. So sir, plus 7 minus 7 cut. 2x is equal to 13 minus 6. X is equal to 6 divided 2. X is equal to 3.
X is equal to 3. Okay, remaining part we will continue tomorrow. Last 1 minute is remaining now.